Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Susila. Today you are going to learn about relations. Parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, తల్లిదండ్రులు. Father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father, తండ్రి or నాన్న. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, తల్లి or అమ్మ. Guardian, G-U-A-R-D-I-A-N, guardian, సంరక్షకుడు. Wedding, W-E-D-D-I-N-G, wedding, వివాహ తంతు or పెళ్ళి. Thread ceremony, T-H-R-E-A-D, thread, ceremony, C-E-R-E-M-O-N-Y, thread ceremony, ఉపనయనం. Bride, B-R-I-D-E, bride, వధువు. Bridegroom, B-R-I-D-E, bride, G-R-O-O-M, groom, bridegroom, వరుడు ఆర్ పెళ్ళి కొడుకు. Husband, H-U-S-B-A-N-D, husband, భర్త. Wife, W-I-F-E, wife, భార్య. Housewife, H-O-U-S-E, house, W-I-F-E, wife, housewife, ఇల్లాలు. Twins, T-W-I-N-S, twins, కవలలు. Son, S-O-N, son, కుమారుడు. Daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter, కుమార్తె. Children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children, పిల్లలు. Elder brother, E-L-D-E-R, elder, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, elder brother, అన్న. Younger brother, Y-O-U-N-G-E-R, younger, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother, younger brother, తమ్ముడు. Nephew, N-E-P-H-E-W, nephew, మేనల్లుడు. Niece, N-I-E-C-E, niece, మేనకోడలు. Aunt, A-U-N-T, aunt, అత్త. Uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle, మామ. Maternal uncle, M-A-T-E-R, mater, N-A-L, maternal uncle, U-N-C-L-E, maternal uncle, మేనమామ or పినతల్లి భర్త or పెదతల్లి భర్త. Mother's brother, maternal uncle. Paternal aunt, P-A-T-E-R-N-A-L, paternal aunt, A-U-N-T, aunt, మేనత్త. Father's sister, paternal aunt means father's sister. Paternal aunt, మేనత్త. Maternal aunt, M-A-T-E-R-N-A-L, maternal aunt, A-U-N-T, aunt, maternal aunt, మేనమామ భార్య. Mother's brother's wife is maternal aunt. Okay children? Son-in-law, S-O-N-I-N-L-A-W, son-in-law, అల్లుడు. Daughter-in-law, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter, I-N-L-A-W, law, daughter-in-law, కోడలు. Brother-in-law, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother, I-N-L-A-W, law, brother-in-law, బావ or బావమరిది. Sister-in-law, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister, I-N-L-A-W, law, sister-in-law, వదిన or మరదలు. Father-in-law, F-A-T-H-E-R, father, I-N-L-A-W, law, father-in-law, మామగారు. Mother-in-law, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, I-N-L-A-W, law, mother-in-law, అత్తగారు. Children, you have to practice these relations. Okay, children, practice thoroughly. Very good. Thank you, viewers. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.